Hello again, YouTubers and classic bike lovers. If you're a subscriber, you know my special affinity towards these old classic black Hondas. If you're new to the channel, you're in for a treat. I think you're going to like this one. So what we have here is a true survivor. The 17-year-old bike. It's a 2003 first year CBR600 RR. So, and it's in pristine condition. I don't think you'll find one cleaner or lower mileage. This one has 3,700 miles, I believe, maybe less. We'll check that in a minute. So there haven't been a lot of changes made to this bike for a reason. This is one awesome bike. The 2020 just came out and it looks a lot more aggressive, but the power plant is just about the same. The configuration may be different, but the horsepower, the output of this one is 115 horsepower. The 2020 is, I believe, 118. So basically the same bike, mechanically, cosmetically, some minor changes. I think early on, see the color of the engine case there, the crankcase. Early on, maybe a few years after this bike came out, they changed the engine to matte black. So this is a rare to see one in that original color. Also the rims, notice that one has 3 spokes. And the front as well. So they changed that in 2012. So basically this bike was the same bike for about 10 years. So, and then in 2012 there were a few minor changes. I don't remember all of them. And then the new 2020, pretty aggressive looking, a lot of sharp lines in it. So the changes were substantial. One of the changes were the emblem was actually the decal that's on it now was turned into an emblem. I'm not sure the year on that. I know the newer one's maybe 2015 or so. I'm not 100%. So the emblem that they put on there looks more like the CBR1000RR that had that back in 2008 up. The vents back here are classic. Still configured that way today. This seat, passenger seat, all basically the same. The label is gone because the plastics are a lot more refined, sharper edges, like I say. The triple tree, still the same matte black look. Very similar. The mirrors are very similar still. The front, the newer ones, maybe 2015 and up, certainly on the 2020, is really aggressive. Even mean looking a little bit. So this year had the air induction Not sure the camera can pick that up. Air induction on either side. Or type of ram air, I guess. In the later years had it between the headlights, and also the headlights now are very a little bit different looking, a lot more aggressive looking. So there it is. Very nice bike. So I'll start it out. And take a closer look at some of the details on this bike. Show you just how pristine it is. I've already warmed the bike up, so if I give it a few high revs, don't give me a hard time. Actually, the mileage is 3471. So less than 3,500 miles. That's pretty neat. This one has a cigarette lighter power socket on it, and a phone, the RAM phone mount. you go, another classic Honda motorcycle. Hope you liked the video. See you on the next.